So we're very, very fortunate that Crow in the Canyon, we have the band members here, Lee on the guitar, Ben on the mandolin, Jeremy on the guitar, Audra on the bass, and Austin on the banjo. They will be explaining what American bluegrass music is, and they'll take you through a journey to explain the history, the lyrics, and what makes bluegrass music truly American. Crow in the Canyon is visiting Ethiopia as part of a 4-country African tour. They started off in Eritrea. Ethiopia is their second stop. After Ethiopia, they're headed to Uganda, then Zambia. So without further ado, please welcome Crow in the Canyon.
Hello everybody, how are y'all doing today? It's called Crow and the Canyon, like they told you several times. We are from, that's us, last year. We are from Portland, Oregon, and it's a pleasure to be here with y'all, but we're gonna give a nice long explanation of what bluegrass is. For the music students in the room, we're going to kind of break it down step by step to what goes into bluegrass musically, and then we're going to do a little example of what goes into bluegrass historically, and give you some examples of the music that made bluegrass what it is today. But before we do all that, we're just going to go ahead and play a song for you, an original song of ours, which I'm not sure which one yet. All right.
We're going to play a song about this here planet that we all live on. Earth. Yeah, planet Earth. Where we are.
He's